Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a Tin Man look, but I put my own little twists on it to make it a little bit more I'm in Wonderland. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and without further ado, let's get on with it. So to start this look, we're just going to apply this silver Meron paint literally everywhere, all over the face and body. I really wasn't kidding when I said everywhere. Then I'm just taking this black eyeshadow to create some definition in the contours of my face. Then I just take the same black eyeshadow from before and blend it into the outer corner of my eyes. Once we're done with that step, I just take a silver eyeshadow and apply it onto my eyelid. Here I'm just going in with that same silver eyeshadow on any parts of the skin that I missed with the paint, just because I didn't want to go too close to my eye with it. Just deepening up the outer corners of my eyes and swiping that black eyeshadow just underneath a little bit. Then I'm just adding the same black eyeshadow to my nose and cupid's bow to add some definition. Just with a gel eyeliner and an angled brush, I'm creating a winged eyeliner. I just wanted a little bit more definition on my eyes. For the brows, I'm just using a tiny brush and some black paint, just so my face has a little bit more structure. I begin by drawing the bottom line of my eyebrow, and then I fill in the top, just creating a soft arch and into a sharp point. For this look, I didn't want big, dark, blocky eyebrows, so I just used small, short strokes to create more of a hair-like effect. What I'm doing here is just drawing the joins of the Tin Girl look. So I'm starting from my armpit and going up around my shoulder, just so it kind of looks like my arms are disjointed from my body. And for this, I'm just using a black paint and an angled brush. Then I just do the same all the way around my elbows and my wrists. From those first lines I've already drawn, I'm just drawing two lines coming out from it, which we're going to fill in so we get more of a hinged look. for the hands, we're just going to sort of colour in the knuckle bits black so that the fingers look like they're hinged to the hand. Now we're just filling in the gaps between those lines. I also then wanted to make it look like the head was disjointed, so I used the same technique of drawing the big line and then just creating smaller gaps to make it have that hinged effect. Now I'm just using a black eyeshadow on a small fluffy brush to create a bit of shading around those joins. With the same black paint that we used for the joints, draw a small heart on the left side of your chest. Don't be fooled, this is like the third attempt of me trying to do this because I could not get it on the right side. Using a tiny bit of black eyeshadow, create a shaded effect around the outside of the heart. Now this is my favourite part, adding all the glitter. So first we're going to start by just popping a bit of glue that I get from the BYS glitter packs into the inner corner of my eyes. Then we just pack on that glitter. Now I'm just popping some around the heart as well to give it a bit of glitz and glamour. So here I'm just blending a tiny weeny bit of black eyeshadow under my eyes and dragging it down just to give the glitter a bit of a base so it stands out against all that silver. Then we just pack on all that glitter. So for this step, you're going to want to grab an eyeliner pencil lid that is slightly bigger than average, dip it in some black paint, and then stamp it wherever we've created the join effect, just to give the look of having screws. With a tiny brush dipped in the black paint, we're just going to draw a little line through each of the circles we've just stamped. This is just to make the screws look a little bit more realistic. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly enjoyed making it. So if you did enjoy it, please leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And also feel free to leave any suggestions for looks or videos down in the comments below. I'll also leave a link to my Instagram in the description below so you can go check out the final look. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!